Ray Lake Mead. I'm here with Erik, practicing for the Bass Nation this Sunday. The water's super low. And I got another stick. Watch out. You press the up button up. Hit it twice.
That's so sick.
Bro. People out here within cars. See something?
I don't think so. I was throwing down because I gave these rocks and that's pretty good. Oh yeah, bro.
You caught one?
Oh, he came off.
No way. No way.
Large now.
Yeah?
Yeah. Dude, look, there's a bass right there.
Where?
Follow me.
Did he? Oh shit's right here. Is he right? We're right above him? He's right underneath?
Underneath the boat.
That kind of looks like a bed. Oh, that's a bed, Erik. That's a bed. That's a bed.
Get on the bed and I think he'll come back. He's swimming out here.
No, I saw one just swim off of it.
That's where I threw my swim bait.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's a big fish.
Hang on. I'm gonna...
Power pole somewhere, like right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna power pole right there.
I see him still. He's swimming back to the bed.
Is he? Right here is good, no?
Yeah, probably. Got him, dude.
Got him?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there you go. But there's another one on him, no?
There might be.
I think there is another one on him.
I don't want to lose him. This is a good fish.
Dang, dude. Save some fish for the rest of us, fool.
I'm trying, bro. Here, I'm gonna go back. I need a fucking dip. I think I can get it.
He swallowed it, no? Bro, but there was another, there had to be another fish in there with him.
Come here. I don't know how those fucking guys do that shit.
On a drop shot?
Ah, it's the belly grab. Yeah, drop shot. Dude, that's a fucking, you got a scale? I got a scale.
Yeah, that's a good fish, no? That's like a 2-pounder.
Yeah.
Bro, but there's another one with him, no?
I don't know, dude.
There's
I
one
didn't
right,
even see
there's
that.
one right there.
There is?
That's a bass right there,
Oh,
no?
that is a bass.
Right?
Good one, dude. This might be the female.
Yeah, that has to be the female.
Are you powerful?
Yeah.
You got your GoPro on?
Yeah. Got it on.
How much do you think this one weighs? I say like 2.5.
2 pounds maybe. This one's gonna bite too.
2.4.
2.4?
Yeah. Can you take a picture of like this?
Yeah.
Thanks, bro. Do I look retarded?
No, you're good.
57?
Yeah. There's gonna be more beds back here, huh?
I think so. I feel like there will be. Yeah.
It's recatchable Sunday, don't you think?
Especially because the bed's here. Are you on that bed, dude?
Yeah. I'm on it now. I don't see anything on it though. Don't say that, bro.
Bass, power poles, all this shit, dude.
And can't catch bass. Fuck. All those pictures that you seen me with, where's that bed at?
It's right up here. I'll be making all that fucking waves. It's hard to tell.
I saw him moving. I saw shadows moving.
There's nothing on it.
You see it?
Yeah, there's not shit there. But like you said, you come back, they'll probably be on that bed. They were pretty aggressive. Dude, there's a bed right here. There's a big ass smallie on it. Drop your jig right here.
What?
Dude, yeah, that's a big ass smallmouth. Drop it. Let more light out. Faster.
Oh shit.
Faster. You're gonna miss it. Let a bunch of light out. There. Now hop it on there.
That's a big ass largie.
Yeah, it's huge. All right. You see him, right?
Yeah, I see him. You still see him or no?
Yeah, he's still on there. Keep your jig there. Don't pull it off. Hop it. Oh, you.
Just, oh, yeah, okay.
Just trying not to make as much noise as the last one. That one will eat. That's a big fish too, dude. I think it's like 3 fucking pounds.
Dude, that one's big as fuck.
That's bigger than the one you were fucking with. He's locked on too. As long as you could stay on the bed, I think you'll get him. Oh, I see your jig.
You see it?
Yeah, there. Leave it there.
I don't see anything. Those ripples are fucking gay.
You just need to get set up better.
Yeah.
Just like a drop shot?
Yeah.
Drop that straight on there.
Yeah.
And then fall fast, so you get on there.
I don't know if I have a bright color one now. Dude, should I even try catching this?
You know what I am. I think so, bro. You need to get a fucking K.
Yeah.
Dude, I don't know. See how good. You can't see that. Can you see it? Oh,
No, I can't see shit.
go post up over there and spotlight or something. Just stay back a little bit. Just barely move the troller. There you go. Dude.
Oh, fuck.
Get back on there.
Oh, I lost the weight. He hit the weight.
Here.
He hit the weight. That was a big fish. Did you find him?
You got one?
Yeah, I got one.
Yeah, because I didn't shoot.
Okay, I need to relax, dude. This is another day of fishing, fun fishing. My buddy Erik.
I want to see you catch this fucking fish.
Oh, Jesus Christ. You saw him though, right?
Oh, yeah. He's still on there, bro. He's going to eat. You seen it get on there. Right, I see your one.
I see him too.
Did see your one.
Everything's good.
Fuck yeah, buddy.
Stay down.
Flip him?
No, I can't.
What kind of test is that?
I don't know, but stay down, stay down.
Fuck yeah. Hell yeah.
Whew.
That's a good fish.
Oh my god.
That's a fucking tank.
This is a good fish too. First bed fish of the year, Rob. Where's those pliers at?
I never found the pliers.
Oh, you never found them?
No.
Oh, dude. Yeah, buddy. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, Eric. You good though.
Good shit, dude. That's fucking cool.
Dude, this is the spot
Yeah.
for Sunday, huh?
Yeah, I would come back for sure. We got 3 fish in here. Yeah, 3 or 4.
Dude, is that an alligator?
Yeah.
You see that big ass fish right there? Whoa. Imagine what if we did see one? No one would believe us.
I'd
Right?
take a picture of it or something.
And what if you drop your phone in water? No one would believe
iCloud.
us. iCloud. Right?
Yeah.
No one would fucking believe us, huh?
People would.
Yeah, the crazy ones.
I know. But they believe us at least. You see something back in there?
Yeah.
Is it bad or?
I think it's a bed.
Oh, right there, huh?
Where? No. It's actually tucked in like right there. That's the fish that spooked.
Oh.
Yeah. Maybe he spooked out.
Where was his bed at?
Right up here.
Oh, I see in the middle of all that.
Yeah.
Dude, they're fucking everywhere, dude.
I'm not sure if it's a bed though. See if he comes back or what.
Look, they're right there. He's right there.
Is he?
Fish right here. Drop down on that, bro. I bet you that is a bed. There's literally a fish right here. I'm watching.
Yeah, I see him.
I bet that's a bed. See, man, they go from like, you can't even see the fucking thing to like, boom, they're there.
You see him? He's right,
He's right
over
here.
Yeah.
Still see him there?
Yeah, they're swimming around.
Not on locked on anything though, huh?
No.
Gotta be a fucking bed or like. They both right there?
I just see one. You see that one?
Yeah, I see the one. The other was with him. There you go. He ate it, didn't he? Yeah. Bargy. Dude, that's a fucking tank.
This is a fucking thing.
That gotta be a 3-pounder.
Whew. Want to weigh him real quick?
Yeah, the scale's right there in my bag. It's a gray one.
Bruh.
Good shit, dude.
Dude, only
That's
through
too big.
Sunday, dude. He is, oh, actually. It's almost 3 pounds.
Yeah.
Yeah, almost 3 pounds.
290.
292.
Fuck yeah, dude.
There he goes. That bass was being very, like, super territorial.
Yeah.
We got 2 each, right, Eric? 2 each. Eric missed one.